Hi friends, today we'll talk about welding position for piping. In pipe welding, we use 1G, 2G, 5G and 6G position. 1, 2, 5, 6, the number is used to define the position. G indicates groove weld. Now we'll go to 1G position. 1G position, the pipe is horizontal. Okay. The welding operator is fixed in flat position. The pipe, it will be rotate. This 1G position. 2G. 2G, the pipe will be vertical position. The welding will do horizontal. Next, 5G. 5G, the pipe is horizontal. When you are using the 5G position, the pipe is not turned or rolled. The welding operator can move all over the pipe. This is 5G position. The last one is 6G. 6G, inclined position, 45-degree angle, the axis. The welding has been done all position like flat, overhead, horizontal and vertical. If the welder is qualified for this position, he can able to weld all type of groove and fillet weld for the piping. Thank you.